And from the Innovation Hub, smart pillows. Sleep. As we've touched on in previous episodes, over 40% of our population suffer from some kind of sleep problem, with around a quarter of those people chronically. You've heard of sleep apps and snoring and cough detection. Well, they only go so far. Enter the new innovative smart pillow. What does it do?
Okay.
Well,
yes.
Pillows have a much bigger canvas to play with, as you can imagine. And so they open the door to many options not possible from external, non-contact smart devices. So broadly speaking, a smart pillow can do this and more, including head track movements and snoring countermeasures that adjust the head's position when snoring is detected.
That's really clever.
Yeah, this can be easily achieved by inflating and deflating small independent airbags. Pillows can include haptics or vibration and or lights to alert people with impairments of any alarms or warnings that would otherwise go undetected. So smart pillows, they're an interesting thing, and they're coming to a store near you soon.